Where's she going? What is she doing? Not allowed to go that big of a circle.
She's gonna have fun going to that vertical.
Slow down.
What sound am I going to? That? That one? Alright, gotcha. Oh my god.
What is she doing?
She's being stupid.
Oh.
I'm gonna like do all this hardcore stuff. And here she is like taking her time.
Still standing.
Oh my god, Taylor. Wow.
Yeah, she's ridiculous.
She's gonna kill her pony.
Yeah.
Off course. Whatever.
Oh!
Alright, you still have to do the off there.
Go! Right there!
Go.
Ugh.
Can't do it that way.
Why?
Oh, wow.
Ah, don't do it! Ugh.
Can you like put the dogs inside? Put the dogs inside, like seriously.
He's a maniac.
Alright, fix that head.
Come on, Hallie, come. Hallie. No. Taylor, that was horrible. Go.
Oh my god.
That's okay. No, circle again.
You got to redo it.
All right, well, go ahead.
That was... Alright, redo.
Okay. Yeah.
Why do you have to be like Winston right now? That was better. Go.
Yeah, that one.
He didn't like it that way.
Come around big and then go in.
Oh, I almost got ran over right there.
No, that's where she should have done the middle one. That's all right. Tight, Taryn. Good. There. Good job. Yay,
Hallie,
Chloe.
get away. Yeah, I want to redo mine.
Slow down. Calm down. Hallie, 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 stay. Hallie, Hallie. Ah.
Where am I going? Oh my god. Hallie!
Shoot.
Hallie, when you die, I'm gonna laugh. That's nice. Say that on video. Am I going now, officer? No, yes.
Yeah. Hallie, get over here. Come on, this one's going on YouTube. Come.
I'm gonna redo my course. Okay, high vertical.
Hallie.
Oh my god, Dad. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
He kicked up his back legs. I was like, okay, I'm coming.
Gotcha. Good girl. Good girl, Chloe.
Yeah. Do you have the smokes out here? That's the most narrow jump I've ever seen. Do you have the cigarettes on you?
Tricky.